So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create stickers from videos on your iPhone. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing is that let's say we open a message chat. Let's say any random one. So after which you click on this plus icon here. After that, you click on what stickers. So once you get there, you are going to see another plus icon here. Click on it. From there now, you simply need to choose the video in which you want to create your stickers. So let's say I just made this video some couple of days, so I'm going to choose it. From there, you simply click on the video and you simply click on this plus sign here. So as you can see, we just successfully make the sticker. So let's see. So that's it. That's the sticker. So that's the sticker. You can now send a sticker to any contact you want to send. So guys, that's actually the way you make stickers from videos on your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If there's any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.